Hello, Transurfer, and welcome to TransurfingTV. I am Renee Garcia, and this is one of the 78 days of practical transurfing. Today, day 45, path to your goal. Oh my God, I absolutely love goals and doors stuff because for me, I found the key to life. I found the key to happiness, and that is found on the path to your goal. And the coolest thing is it doesn't even matter if you reach the goal. There's so much elation and magic and joy and fun and adventure and thrilling excitement and all sorts of cool stuff that is along this path that I don't care if I ever reach it because I am so in love with the journey. I haven't yet read this lesson, so I don't know exactly what it's about, but I'm assuming it's something along these lines. Life becomes a feast on the path to your goal. But before I get started, remember my giveaway. Like this video and comment below, I love reality transurfing, if you would like to enter my giveaway for some of these awesome reprogramming stickers. So with that, I will get started. Day 45. Wow, we're 45 already. Path to your goal. Drop the importance of your goal. Let go of any feelings of longing so that all you are left with is the resolve to have. You should be moving towards your goal in the same way that you go to the post box to pick up your post. The only things that can spoil everything on the path towards your goal are obsessional commitment, trying too hard, and fear of defeat. Run the goal slide in your mind without including any particular script. You already have it. Don't think about the means of achieving it. If you focus on the goal as if you had already achieved it, after some time, outer intention will open the door of opportunity to you, and then the means to the end will present itself. Oh God, it is so good. It is so effing good, everybody. Interpretation. If you think your goal is unachievable, you will spoil the whole thing with doubt and heavy thoughts about your own potential failure. So how do you believe in the impossible enough for it to become possible? You don't. There is no way that you can persuade, convince, or force yourself to believe. Put these petty worries to one side and get down to it. Run the goal slide in your thoughts and do not forget to put one foot in front of the other as you move towards your goal. Don't worry that for now your goal is hidden from view somewhere beyond the clouds. Of course, it is difficult for you to imagine how it could be yours, but that is not for you to worry about. All you have to do is make your order, leave the rest to the waiter. When the mind sees the door opening, your doubts will dissolve. Many people who have achieved astounding success confess that they would never have believed themselves capable of it. Just one piece of advice: don't place your entire goal on one card only. Find an alternative route, a safety net, or fallback position. Don't slam past doors shut, and don't burn your bridges prematurely. Okay, this stuff is wildly valuable in going after a goal, because if you load a goal up with a bunch of importance and a bunch of excess potential and you bank on only that thing happening, balancing forces are going to come in and wreck your shit. This is like immutable law. You will have challenges along the way to your goal because you have created an energetic imbalance in your environment, and nature and the alternative space always strive to neutralize imbalances. So this is about you, and now I'm either going to have a video that's already played on this subject or one will be coming, and this is conquering something with lower levels of importance. And I'm actually going to do a little role playing in this video to show you the two different mindsets of somebody going after a goal that is loaded up with excess potential and importance, and somebody going after a goal that has simply placed an order and is willing to put one foot in front of the other without knowing the full spectrum of movements that they are going to need to do in the future to achieve that ultimate goal, and then simply looking to the world to show you new ways, new steps, new people, new ideas, new all sorts of information and material and opportunities and things that are going to help you achieve that place that you're going towards. I mean, this is really like Transurfing 101. You set your intention, you do not take your eye off the ball, and you allow yourself to settle in to this idea that this thing is in fact coming towards you, or you are moving towards it with the help of your world, co-creating with your world. And this is already in the bag. You've already got it. But at the same time, having other options available to you, and this is where advantage comes in and is absolutely crucial, that if something is to happen to that goal, you see the advantage of it. You can switch gears, spin on a dime, and go right over to that other thing that you have waiting there as a backup. This is true transurfing. And this is really how I live my life. If I have a goal and I'm really going for it and I'm doing everything that I can, and then all of a sudden something seems to be not working for me, or an imbalance, or maybe I did create too much excess potential, something happened, and I can then just switch over, go for that new goal, and let the other one kind of cool down a little bit, and then I switch back over to that one. And I keep balls juggling in the air like this, and it really helps because I'm not banking on one thing happening, and I can switch my attention around, and I always have available options to me of where I can put my energy. This has to do with doors, goals. I always have something going. So the path to the goal should be free and clear of excess potential, importance, and the absence of balancing forces, right? You should place your order, and you should be willing to take the steps through your doors to your goal, knowing that if something quite does not work out, there is an absolute advantage to this. You switch then to something else. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and you just kind of do that until you build exactly what you're looking to build with the help of your world, and it all works out, and you don't have to try to force anything. So remember to like this video if you do in fact like it, and comment below "I love Reality Transurfing" to enter my giveaway. And thank you so much for watching my video, everyone. Bye.